So this is the EasyGuard Smart Key PKE alarm system. I'm gonna unbox it and see what's inside. The good thing that I like about this alarm system is that it has a push start feature in it. It also has the passive keyless entry, which allows you to, when you get close to the car, it detects it and it unlocks, and when you leave the car, it detects that and then it locks. So that's a good feature which I was looking for. And also it also has a remote start right here, start and stop. So these are like a good combination which I was looking for my 2001 BMW. And let's see what's inside. Alright, so yeah, right here, the sales manager's card. Alright, your customer, yeah. Alright, you're welcome. So the user manual, yeah, so we're gonna really need to go through this about the connections and all this. It's really important to read this. We're gonna see that too. And let's see, wiring diagram. Okay, yep, that's where we're gonna need this one too. Alright, so we're gonna take a look into this too. And what are these? The common used operations. Okay. Yep. Okay. Whoa. Let's take a quick look on that. Okay. So it has a lock, arm, unlock, disarm. Okay. Remote start. Okay. This is the features. Okay. Remote engine cutoff. Okay. Mute alarm, audible alarm, panic mode, trunk release, valet mode, exit valet mode. Okay. Okay, important. Okay, it's turned on, so that's good. Alright, let's move forward. Alright, now, this is what I liked also. Okay, let me see if I could get a better, yep, like right here. See, this remote is slim, not one of those fat ones. And it's kind of stylish, you could see. There's these three buttons over here. So it's the lock, unlock, and panic. I believe it's P for panic. It's pretty neat. So, okay, 2 remotes. Alright, so, oh, I hope I can get it with one hand. Alright, I'll have to take up the whole thing. Okay, so this is the main thing, the brain, which is called. Alright, so all the pins and all that, it's pretty good. I mean, you can hear it, it's metal, solid stuff, easy to fit, and I hope it doesn't get warm. Oh, it looks good, solid stuff. Alright, let's see what else inside. Wires, all these wirings. Well, some of them, or maybe most of them, we won't be using. Alright, all these wires. Okay, let's see. So these are the, okay, these are wires with the fuses on. And this connector, okay, probably the main one. Yep, and after that, these are the ones that are going to go with the ignition. Oh, nice. So they already have this kind of stuff. Oh, okay, good. So this is used for a relay. It's called a relay adapter. So there must be a relay inside then. Okay, so this is good to have. Alright, and whoa, come on. Sorry, it's hard to do stuff with one arm. Okay, so this one is one of the sensors, which is either going to go in the front. Okay, and this is the second one right here, which is going to go in the back for the car, for the PKE. So when you come near the car, it detects and then it unlocks. And this, I believe this is a high frequency antenna. Yep, that's the antenna. That's probably it's gonna be joined with the system. So that's whenever you do something with your key, this is the thing that receives the signal. This is a shock sensor, an extra layer of protection for your car. Okay, what else? Yep, that's the relay I was talking about. Okay, I believe you can see it from here. It's the relay, and that's the adapter, which right here. So this fits on here, and then you do the wiring from this end. All right, it makes it easy. Life gets easy. And this is the push start. All right, so I believe I'm gonna try to do this on one hand. Oh, I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Oh, sorry. One second. Okay, so right here. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's focus this sucker. Alright, so this is the engine start stop button. So it's gonna fit into that thing, the hole where you're gonna make it. It has a nice shiny outer ring right here. This one, it's gonna glow, like you hear the sound. Okay, and that's probably the one that's gonna be behind it, and that's the wiring that you have to do. Alright, so that's out of the way. Okay, what's this? Oh, wow. A remote pouch. Ain't that cute? Okay. Oh, another one. Oh, wow. So two different ones. Nice. And they're leather. Kind of like leather stuff to it. Okay. And well made. Not that bad. Both of them. Right there. One black and one brown. Bean. Whatever you want to call it. Okay. And these are some kind of, I believe these are mounting brackets. Okay, and an extra, not extra, I believe it's those pins that go inside. Or maybe it's an extra. Wait, I think you put, well, let me focus. These wires probably go in here and click up or something. I gotta have to figure this out, I'm not sure. Okay, so what is this? It's probably the wire for the shock sensor or something, or maybe not. I don't know, I gotta see this one too, but it has some wrap ties in it too, so pretty good. So that's it. I believe I covered whatever was inside, all this stuff. So let me just go one more time through. So an unknown item, I'm not sure what it is, but it's good to have. Shock sensor, all right. So that's the the sensor for the front, the sensor for the back for the PKE, and these are the wirings with the fuses, and this is another wire for ignition, the start stop button, engine push start, the antenna, the two keys and their covers right here, the relay with the wiring right here, and the adapter, and the mounting set, along with the main thing, the brain. Okay, and the booklets and the instruction manuals and everything. So I believe it's a really good system, you know, to have your start stop installed. That's one thing. The PKE system, that's another thing, and the remote start system, which you can do from your remote. So alright guys, I hope you liked it, and just let me know if you have any questions and comments. Thanks, and see ya.